Hey there, welcome back to Science and Coffee. In this video, I'm going to discuss why publishing a research paper is essential during your bachelor's degree for academic and professional growth. So, before getting into the topic, I would like to introduce about myself firstly. I am Ugandar, a 20-year-old Bachelor of Science student majoring in biotechnology, and I have done my research work in the field of environmental chemistry about methylene blue dye degradation, and I have presented my work in a national science conference held in Andhra Pradesh, India, and I won the Best Poster Presentation Award. So, firstly, publishing a research paper during your bachelor's degree provides a platform to showcase your research skills and knowledge in your field of study, whether it may be through the journal or a conference. It demonstrates your ability to conduct thorough research, analyze data, and communicate your findings effectively, which are highly valued skills in many professions. Secondly, publishing a research paper during your bachelor's degree can significantly boost your chances of getting into a good graduate school. Most graduate schools look for applicants who have a research experience, and publishing a research paper during your undergraduate program shows that you have a solid foundation in research and are capable of handling research intensive graduate level coursework. Thirdly, it opens up various opportunities for networking and collaboration. Your paper can be read by many scholars, researchers, and industry professionals who may be interested in your work and want to connect with you. Networking with people in your field specifically can help you learn about the latest research trends and get feedback on your work, and even lead to potential job opportunities. So, finally, in my conclusion, I would like to tell you that publishing a research paper during your bachelor's degree is an essential step towards building a successful career. So it provides you with a platform to showcase your skills and knowledge, boost your chances of getting into good graduate schools, opens up opportunities for networking and collaboration, and adds value to your portfolio or resume. So if you're undergraduate student or you are willing to pursue your undergraduate in the field of arts or sciences or commerce, I highly recommend that you consider publishing at least one research paper during your program in your specific niche. So, that's all about why you should publish a research paper. So, in the next video, I will be sharing how to publish your first ever research paper. In order to get notified by that video, don't forget to subscribe Science and Coffee, and also by pressing the bell icon, you will receive the notification as soon as I upload. Thank you, stay tuned.